Hello, and welcome back to EnglishAudio, the place to improve your English. Just by listening, we read clear and slow English to help beginners. Today, we are going to talk about something very valuable. It is more valuable than money. It is more valuable than gold. It is time. Our quote comes from a wise man named William Penn. He said, "Time is what we want most, but what we use worst." Let's say that again. Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. What does this mean? Let's explore it. Section 1. The problem. We always want more. We all want more time. We say, "I am too busy. I do not have time to exercise. I do not have time to learn English. I do not have time to relax." We wish for a 25-hour day. We wish for a longer life. We want time most. But how do we use it? We use it worst. Worst is the opposite of best. It means we use it badly. We waste our time. We scroll on our phones for hours. We worry about the future. We complain about the past. We do things that do not matter. This is the big contradiction. We love time, but we kill it. Why do we do this? Because we think time is free. We think we have unlimited time. But time is not free. Time is expensive. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Section 2. The illusion of later. The biggest enemy of time is later. I will do it later. I will start tomorrow. Later feels comfortable. Later feels safe. But later is a lie. William Penn knew this. When we say later, we are wasting now. We are throwing away the present. Imagine you have a bank account. Every day you get $86,400. But there is a rule. You must spend it today. If you do not spend it, it disappears. You cannot save it for tomorrow. What would you do? You would spend every dollar. You would buy food, clothes, gifts. You would use it well. You have this bank account. It is called time. Every day, you get 86,400 seconds. At the end of the day, they are gone. You cannot get them back. Are you spending them wisely? Or are you letting them disappear? This is using time worst. Section 3. How to use time best. So how do we fix this? How do we use time best? We need to change our mindset. We need to stop waiting. We need to start investing. Think of time as an investment. If you spend time on Facebook, what do you get back? Nothing. If you spend time worrying, what do you get back? Stress. But if you spend time learning English, what do you get back? Knowledge. Confidence, opportunity. This is a good investment. We need to move from spending time to investing time. Let me tell you a story. It is about a jar and some rocks. A teacher showed his students a jar. He put big rocks inside. He asked, "Is the jar full?" The student said, "Yes." Then he put small pebbles inside. The pebbles filled the spaces. He asked, "Is the jar full?" The student said, "Yes, now it is." Then he poured sand inside. The sand filled the tiny spaces. The jar is your life. The jar is your time. The big rocks are the important things. Your family, your health, your dreams. The pebbles are other things. Your job, your house. The sand is the small stuff. Social media, TV, gossip, If you put the sand in first, there's no room for the rocks. If you spend all time on small things, you have no time for big things. You must put the big rocks first. Prioritize what matters. Section 4. Using time for English. Is learning English a big rock? Or is it sand? Many people treat it like sand. I will study if I have free time. But we never have free time. The sand fills the jar. You must make English a rock. You must put it in the jar first. Do it in the morning. Do it before you check your phone. Even just 15 minutes. If you do this, you are using time best. You are building your future. Let's talk about waiting. Waiting is the worst use of time. Waiting for the bus? Use that time. Listen to English audio. Waiting for the doctor? Use that time. Read an English article. Cooking dinner? Use that time. Speak to yourself in English. Turn wasted time into useful time. This is how busy people learn. They do not find time. They make time. Section 5. A story of two men. Let me tell you a short story. There were two men, John and Mike. They both wanted to write a book. John said, "I need a whole month. I need a quiet cabin in the woods. I cannot write in my busy life." So John waited. He waited for the perfect time. Years passed. He never wrote the book. He used his time worst. Mike was different. Mike was very busy. He had a job and kids. He did not have a month. He only had 20 minutes a day. He wrote on the train to work. He wrote before breakfast. He used the sand of his day. After 1 year, Mike finished his book. He used his time best. Be like Mike. Do not wait for the perfect time. Use the time you have now. Section 6. Action steps for you. I have 3 steps for you today. Step 1. Check your time. Look at your phone screen time. How many hours on social media? Maybe 2 hours? Maybe 3 hours? That is lost time. Be honest with yourself. Step 2. Reclaim 30 minutes. Take back just 30 minutes a day. Stop scrolling. Start learning. 30 minutes of English a day is 180 hours a year. That is enough to change your life. Step 3. Do it first. Put your big rocks first. Study English before you watch TV. Exercise before you relax. Pay yourself first. This small change creates big results. Section 7. The value of now. Remember, time is limited. We do not live forever. Yesterday is a canceled check. Tomorrow is a promissory note. Today is the only cash you have. Spend it wisely. Do not be afraid to start. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are a good use of time. Because you are learning. The only bad use of time is doing nothing. Is waiting. Make today count. Section 8. Conclusion. So let's remember William Penn. Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. Let's change that. Let's use time best. Let's fill our jar with big rocks. Let's stop saying later. Let's start saying now. Your future is built in minutes. Start building it right now. Thank you for listening to English Audio today. We hope this message helps you on your journey. Like and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time.